So it also does come with a mouse and a keyboard, and with the gaming PC. The gaming PC has also lights with it. It is pretty easy to access the inside of the PC. You just need to twist the screws, 4 screws, and then you just open it, and then you have access inside. Okay, so this is the inside of the PC. You can change the different colors. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on to Fortnite and try how fast this PC is. So I'll be showing you guys the FPS and how not laggy it is. When I play Fortnite on it, it is super not laggy. I have got some victory royales on it. PC playing Fortnite, and let's check out the settings, the quality. So this is my quality right now. Let's do all low for now, and the 3D resolution all the way. So let's see the FPS. FPS is around 200, above 200, so that is pretty good. So I'll be doing a gameplay later. So the gameplay is like this quality, and I'll be showing you guys right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna do all medium. Okay, so I'll be like 130 or 100 FPS. So I don't recommend doing medium quality. I recommend doing all of this and this. I don't recommend shadows on. Okay, so now we're gonna do high. Let's do high. Okay, so the FPS is around, it's above 80. Yes, it's definitely above 80. So that is the FPS for high quality. Let's try Epic now. Okay, so the FPS is above. Okay, so FPS is above 90 or above 80, so that is pretty good. So this computer is pretty good. Let's try the 3D resolution a little bit down. Yeah, it's kind of the same, but these are all the quality for Fortnite and the FPS. So the FPS is probably above 100 if you use all the quality. So okay, so that is the FPS for Fortnite Battle Royale, and I do really recommend this computer for probably medium gamers. and this is a pretty fast computer. Also comes with a keyboard and mouse. I think that is pretty awesome.
Go!